Alright, y'all. So, I decided to go on a YouTube food adventure. And the first place I wanted to go was somewhere that I go at least bi-monthly. Mainly because, I'm currently a Crohn's patient, and there's Kaiser Permanente down the street from here, currently in Woodbridge, Virginia. And I come to this one spot every single time. And I feel like nobody knows that much about this spot, right? I feel like anytime you go out, it's always like the same, like Chinese, could be Japanese, could be Italian. There's some places that I have a feeling that nobody really knows about except for the people that normally go here. The people love their own culture, right? I rarely hear from people who are like, oh yeah, like I've been to this spot. It might be African, it might be Jamaican, but I've never had a friend come to me and tell me, yo, I know this Filipino spot and it hits different. And the place I'm about to show you, it hits different. So here in Woodbridge, Virginia, there's a little special place I like to go to. Torch food. All times, warm, big portions, good and moderately priced. And that'll be the Kababayan Filipino kitchen. Let's go inside. So one thing I like about this place, you ain't never been to a more clean place. I promise you. Look how beautiful this place is. Such a cleanly place. So what I wanted to introduce you guys to is the food. So I'm gonna try to be a little quiet here. They have foods and pastries I've never even seen before. Looks like something like maybe like dried fish. Saman cassava. That looks crazy. I don't know what this is, but it looks crazy too. So I've tried the pendicel torch. I haven't tried the cheese one though. I'd like to try that at some point. Like, look how unique these foods are. I tried ube a few times. I like it here. And they have a few different pastries full of ube. Ice cream too, I believe, and drinks. Oh, that looks crazy. What is this? Benmiga? Sayalocos? That looks crazy. If you're from the South, you already know about the boiled peanuts. Puto cheese? That looks crazy too. As you can see, this is just on the side lobby. So also, here we are at the refrigeration section. They have drinks I've never even heard of. Never seen once. I can only assume it's from the Philippines. Well, outside old Sprites everywhere, but apple flavored drinks and things of that sort. Let's see what they have over here. Let's see what this is. Let's go. You can't tell. Okay. More desserts. Crema de ube. I love ube. Ensenada ube. Brioche with cream cheese and purple yam. I'm telling you, ube goes hard for the Philippines. I go hard for ube. And they have flan too. That's crazy. One second. Alright, let's see what else. Pork asado steamed buns. Alright, so this is what I've been wanting to show you guys. So I came here, right, one of the few times, and I got these sweet cured longanisa. I'm telling you, absolutely fire. Absolutely fire. Let's go further. They have so many options here, and we're not even at the main food yet. Longanisa, and different kinds of longanisa, and hella steamed buns at the bottom. I'm a big steamed bun fan. So this is some of the other flavors too that I was interested in. That I haven't tried yet, but I want to. Ube ice cream, brown sugar boba, and they have like, I guess like could be maybe possibly like a steamed banana topping that you put with the ice cream. Let's go to the next one. It might be more ube ice cream. Oh, I don't think it opens. Okay, no, it does open. Tropical ice cream. Halo halo? I don't know why, but that name sounds crazy. I love it. Makapuno coconut. For anybody who knows me deep down, I love coconut. Bigger ube ice cream. Avocado. Never tried that before. Well, avocado I have, but avocado ice cream? Never. I'll give it a try. Alright, so I'm finally next in line. You've never seen this level of food. They have your rice. It's always clean in the bag too. With all different meats. Pork, chicken, beef, vegetable dishes. Maybe if I ask nicely, they'll show me around. I think that's like different sauces in the back. We'll ask about it. So this is the part that I'm used to. The absolute sweet part. So I've tried this. It's actually pretty good. And this right here, peachy, to die for. And things like these things are like moderately priced for what they are. Like $8, but you'll never see a slice like this anywhere. Thick slice. Mind you, I'm a big dude. Sopping. So one thing I love about this place is you'll see they have a consumption date. You know, a lot of places will literally let you eat like expired foods. Kababayan, like they have it on everything. Like they let you know, like, you know, we made this then, it needs to be out by this point in time. Like, we can't serve it, you know? And I love that. Oh, this looks crazy. Big flan. The Minnieville chocolate cake. This is what I've been meaning to have. This looks crazy. Ube flan cake. Oh, I love ube. The two different kinds. And semada. This looks crazy too. Oh, I don't think I'd be into this one. I'm telling you, all these foods are so torch. One thing I like about this place, especially being a foreign food, most places you go to, they crazy overprice their foods, right? This is the only place I've seen where you can get such a large amount of food for the right amount of money. What's that? So the normal that people I've seen get have normally been the entrees. And in these entrees, you get a load of food. And I'll show you later. You're gonna understand why I come here. Honestly, it's a gym. I love coming to this place. It hits every time. And I wouldn't even recommend anything if it didn't hit. Alright, we're gonna check out the food here. Excuse me, ma'am. You mind showing me around? Alright, I'll follow you.
Alright then. So right here, it's one of the best sellers. So we have the fried pork belly, as well as the pancit. So it is basically glass noodles with veggies and chicken.
Alright.
And then right here is one of the veggie options that we have. It is mung beans.
I've seen that a few times.
Yep, it is pretty popular as well.
Okay.
And then the classics, so I have the adobo. I have both pork and chicken right here. This one is pork stew, pork menudo.
I've had it a few times.
Yep. And then this one right here is called beef steak, so it is basically beef and onions.
Okay.
And then I have right here is chayote, a kind of veggie. And then this one is sauteed veggies in shrimp paste.
So it tastes like peanut, right?
No.
Is it different?
It is different.
Okay.
You might be talking about the kare kare.
Yeah, okay.
And then I have the skewers right here. I have both pork and, chicken and then pork.
Alright.
Fried milkfish, and this one is a dessert. This one is called turon, so it is basically the banana plantain and jackfruit wrapped in lumpia wrapper and caramelized sugar.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I always thought it was an egg roll this whole time.
We do have something similar called lumpia. It has chicken and pork inside, but this one is the dessert.
It looks great. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
This clean. From the floor to the food to the tables to the prepared vinaigrettes and sauces and all that stuff. Crazy amounts of cleanliness. Yeah, I would love half and half, man. Thank you. See, I'm gonna show you guys how crazy these portions are. Big steam cooker. Big rice cooker full of rice. Yes, ma'am. And what is this again? Okay. Thank you. I like that. Yeah. let's see here. It's pork? Pork adobo? I'll get the pork adobo. Yes. Look how heavy that is, y'all. The food is always hot prepared. Thank you for helping me, man. I would love that. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, man. Let's see.
Yeah, for 11:30, ma'am, will that be all for you?
Let's see what the damn is gonna look like.
Yes, give me 1 second. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you mind if I can get it double bagged, if you don't mind?
Yeah. You
Thank
want a sauce, sir?
Yes, I love that. Thank you.
How many you need?
One,
Give
yeah.
you one sauce and
Yeah.
one vinegar.
Thank you.
You have to try both.
Thank you
Okay?
very much.
You're welcome.
This lady says.
Yeah. That's combo noodle, sir. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
That'll be all.
Thank you.
1682. See how much food I got?
You don't want any drinks, sir?
No, I'm good. I got something in the
Okay.
car. Thank you. Thank you for having me today.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Man, it's hot as hell today. I'm going to get a few drinks here. You done? Let's see what I'm gonna get. Oh yeah. I'm a full throttle kind of man. Get 1, 2. Alright, let's go pay for this. How you doing today?
If you don't mind, can I ask you something? Where did you get this one? I like it.
This?
And, yeah.
The trap?
Yeah.
Amazon.
Amazon?
It was
What
only
they
like
call?
this tripod. Tripod.
The curry search pala.
I know.
Is it trap?
Hey, look. Send you right
Yeah.
on there so I can. I know. I searched one. I think it's $100, but I don't know how much.
No, I got it for like $20.
No, this is a different. Oh, this is with a stand. I had it at home too. I have one.
I'm gonna put
That's
this
for,
there. Thank you.
the stand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I have the one.
Easy to make a video.
No.
Yeah, very easy.
Yeah, I have a different. I see is $100.
No, just all any penny that
Selfie?
So always
Yeah,
you know how to take selfie.
Yeah, it's easier. Much easier.
Yeah. रख के चल गया
Alright, one second.
पता नहीं मैंने रख के कितों लपौनी है. You want a bag?
Yeah, I love that. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna. फिर आ गया देख लो. मनु फिर गया उधर. जिन्हें तो वो बाहर ही रखती है, तो हुन फिर विंडो खोलन दिया इधर.
Thank you, man.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Alright, let's get going, guys. It's hot as hell outside. Like, I don't think I've ever seen this hot in Virginia. Like, it's just like more so like the humidity. But I got the food, I got the drinks. Let's go back and eat this food.